Mindfulness is simply the science of being present. At this moment, you are nowhere else but right here. You allow your thoughts to relax, but you don't invite the future or the past to cloud your thoughts and thinking process. Your sole focus instead is on exactly what is going on around you and within you. If you practice mindfulness regularly, it will help you deal more positively with the situations and events that life throws at you. Now you know what it is, but how can you practice it? Your emotions are all over the place. Sometimes you feel happy, but there are times when you're down, angry, anxious, stressed out, and impatient. Sometimes you look at your partner and can't help but think just how lucky you are to have met them. Other times, you look at them and want to scream at them for slurping their soup. That's just life. It's difficult to know which emotion will crop up and urge into your overreacting at any given moment. Mindfulness allows you a semblance of control of those emotions, and you can practice it easily throughout your day. Here are 6 easy ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. First, the moment you wake up. First, start getting up 5 minutes earlier than normal. Use these 5 minutes to do a breathing exercise or follow a guided meditation. Number two, during your morning routine. You can be mindful while you brush your teeth, while you shower, and as you eat breakfast. How is that possible? Simply focus on what you're doing. As you brush your teeth, focus on the minty scent of your toothpaste, how the bristles feel as they brush across your teeth, and how the mouthwash feels as it moves around your mouth. You can do this with every step of your morning routine. It will allow you to feel more relaxed as you go about your morning. The alternative, of course, is worrying about what your day holds or stressing about your never ending to do list. Continuing, 6 easy ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Number three, when you hop in your car. Even a short commute can be stressful. You can't control how others drive. You can only control what you do. So tune everything else out and practice mindfulness as you drive to work. Take in the sights and the smells. Be observant of the road around you. Don't listen to an audiobook. Don't turn on a podcast. Just focus on your drive. Number four, as you walk. You might not walk much, but at least you do so from your car into your workplace and the return journey. We would suggest you try to take a longer walk. However, the point is, even in short journeys on foot, you can simply be present instead of allowing the anxiety of work or home to creep into your thoughts. If you can manage longer walks, try to immerse yourself into nature and really bask in its beauty. Number five, as you eat. It is possible to eat mindfully. Tap into your senses and really focus on what you're eating. Don't eat in front of a television or at your desk. Instead, find a quiet place to enjoy your meal. Think about the texture of the food you're eating, the aromas, the flavor, or how it looks. Do so with every bite you take and allow yourself to chew slowly. A positive side effect of mindful eating is you will be more in tune with your body and notice when you're full. And finally, number five, before you go to sleep. Before your head hits the pillow, just breathe. Sit in your bed and focus completely on your breathing. Think about how your body feels and allow the negative thoughts weighing on your shoulders to ebb away. By allowing yourself mental peace, your quality of sleep will improve.